Hey guys, this is AJ with Joe's JGE&x, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the ear pads and headband on your Studio 3s. So we've got the kit here. This is what will come in. Open it up. We've got the headband. Got some information here on this label. The ear pads and the T5 screwdriver. You'll use this T5 screwdriver and you'll fold the hinges and unscrew these. Once you got the 4 screws removed, you can pop them out and you grab here, right here, and slide down. Grab on the hinge, slide down. And I'm going to use this butter knife. We use pry tools, but you can use these, anything you can get in to the little crease here. And you're going to pop the headband cushion away from the headband. Just put it in the seam, pop it down. And then you can pull and remove the headband cushion from the headband. So as you can see here, the Beats logo is up top. We want to put this left side in here. We want the logo to be looking at us, so left and right. Just put it into there, and then we'll also put it into here. Sometimes you have to extend the hinges, but you want the wire to sit in that crease in the top of the headband. Line it up right here and put it into the thing and pop it into place. Just a little pressure, you'll hear it snap. That's what you want. Then we'll get this other side in, pop it all the way there. Then we will see the main internal wire and these little rubber gaskets. We're going to fold it into place behind. We want the wire in front. We want that gasket behind the wire like that. Then we'll push it in and we'll slide it into the hinge, and we'll put the screws back in. Once those are in, we'll go to the other side. Make sure these are popped into place. We'll do the same thing. We will fold in the wire and put the gasket behind it, like so. Line it up and slide the hinge on, just like that. And we'll screw this side in. Now that both sides are tight, we'll make sure that the headband cushion is properly snapped in all the way everywhere. You can see it's right there. We'll pop it in. Everything looks flush. Push it in. And that's how you replace the headband. We'll move on to the ear pads. Doesn't matter which side you start on, but we're going to use our butter knife again. I like to not use the serrated side so I don't scratch my headphones up. And we'll feed it in between that gap right there. Not this gap with the two plastic, but the foam and the plastic. Get it in there. We'll just kind of pry it up a little bit. Once it's pried up, you can just use your hands to pull it off. Bust out our new ear pads. As you can see, it comes with new tape. You can tell that the right side is the one with the charger port indent. This is the left side. So we'll start there. You just pull this down and remove the cover. That'll expose the adhesive, and then you'll line up that hole with this nub right here on the headphones. You can see it. See the nub? Line it up. And then you will line up the other one on the bottom. And like that. Just give it a little pressure for about 5 seconds. Swap to the right side, and we'll just do the same thing. Line this nub up with that hole, as well as the charger port. You can see lines up right there. And then we'll give it some pressure for 5 seconds. And just like that, you have successfully replaced your headband and ear pads on your Studio 3s.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.